Dear friend, today we will discuss on SQL query related questions which is asked in an interview. It is a perspective of database as well as Java developer. So before going to this video, please subscribe and click on notify bell so you will receive new updated video whenever uploaded. So let's begin with the questions. First question, so what is SQL? So SQL, just like is a structured query language, which is a programming language used for interaction with relational database management system (RDBMS). This is include fetching, updating, inserting, removing data from the tables. Next question is having what are SQL dialect? Give some one example because a dialect is related to some Hibernate. If someone is using Hibernate uh, for the programming inside the Java programming. So here require some dialect in configuration of properties file or YML files, whatever you are preparing. Based on this, you can utilize it. So what is the role of this? So this is the various version of SQL, both free and paid are also called SQL dialect. All our flavor of SQL have a very similar syntax and very significant only in the additional functionality. Some example, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQLite, SQTL, Oracle, MongoDB. Next question, what are the main application of SQL using? So main applications means what is utilization of SQL. So SQL mostly used for creating, deleting, updating table in database, access, manipulation, modification, data in table, retrieve and summarize necessary information from table or several tables, add or remove certain row or column from the tables. So all in all, SQL allow querying the database in multiple way and additional. SQL easily integrate with the other programming language such as Python or we can use to their combined power. Okay. Uh, so SQL can be used. This is a query means how to create delete means whenever you want to create table delete update and access manipulation just like if you want to update any data and modifying data in table just like some column you want to add remove, so that kind of things we can utilize it. Retrieving summarizing means table inside you want to write a join query, lot of things can be performed through the SQL. So this is the objective of applications. What is an SQL statement? Give the some example. So also known as a SQL command, it is a string of character interpreted by SQL engine, legal command and execute accordingly. Some example of SQL command select, create, delete, drop, remove. So that kind of things statement. Some give next question is have give the some example of common SQL command of each type. DDL. DDL means just like as a data definition language. Create, alter, table, drop, truncate, add column. DML data manipulation language, update, delete, insert. DCL data control language, grant, revoke means that promotion that is related to permissions. TCL transactional control language, commit, set, transaction, rollback, save point. So this is are the TCL. SQL data query language, select. What is subquery? Subquery means if you want to write a query inside the query, that can be a subquery. So query placed inside the another query or in another query is a subquery may be occur in clauses where select from where update. It is possible to have a subquery inside another query. So enter most subquery is run first and its result is passed to the containing query. Okay. Next question, what type of SQL subquery do you know? So here I have some single row, multiple row, multi-column, correlated, nested. Single means return most of one row, multi-row return at least two row, multi-column return at least two column, correlated subquery related to information from outer query, nested subquery inside the another query. Okay. So what type of joins do you know? So joins mostly have inner join, left outer join, inner join, outer join. So outer join have two types, left outer, right outer, and full join. So mostly we are using these kind of joins, and rest of we have another one is a cross join. So this is the performance wise we are not utilizing. So mostly we are utilizing inner join. So what is the role of inner join? Inner join return the only those record satisfy defined join condition in both or all tables. It is default SQL join. Left outer join return all record from left table or those record from right table that satisfied the defined join condition. Right join return the all record from right table, those records from left that satisfy the definition of condition. Full join return the all record from both tables that can be considered as a combination of left and right join. Okay. Next question is having what type of SQL operators do you know? Arithmetic operator, you know plus minus, multiply, division, extra, comparison, greater than, less than, equal, greater than, equal, extra, compound, plus minus, plus equal, minus equal, multiply equal, division equal. So that is the compound and logical and or not between extra string percentage, you know this is the string type. Set means union all intersect minus or aspect. What is a clause? Clause just like is a condition imposed on SQL query to filter the data obtain the desired result. Some example were limit having like and or order by. So this is the clause. How to create a table using create table statement? For example, create a table with three columns of predefined data type. We apply the following syntax: create table, table name, column, data type just like varchar, int, whatever is the type. So here need to be defined the type. So that tables, once you run this command, table will be created. How to update table? So here using update statement, update the name of table, set the column name equal to value, column 2 equal to value, where condition, where you means you want to affect in which column, so you give the condition through the where clause. How to delete the table from database using drop table statement syntax, drop table name. Okay. So this is the command line drop table and table name. So if you execute this command, so table will be dropped. How to get the count of record in table using count aggregative function? Just select count strict means the all record from the tables. How to sort record in table using order by? Select from table name order by the column name, so you can sort it. How do you select the all column from the tables? Select star from the table name. Next question, How to select common record from two tables using intersect. Select from table 1, intersect, select from table 1. So here you can select from both tables. So in that cases, you can get the common record. What aggregate function do you know? AVG means return the average value, sum return the sum of value, minimum return the minimum value, max return the maximum value, count return the number of row, first return the first value from the column, last return the last value of column. What scalar function do you know? len. In other SQL, length return the length of string including the blank space. Uppercase in SQL flavor return the string converted to uppercase. Lowercase it is return the lowercase. Init cap return the string converted to title case. Word start from capital letter. Mid stack the substring from the string. Round return the numerical value rounded specified number of decimal. Row return the current date and time. Now function is return the current date and time. What is the case function? The way to implement if then else logic in SQL. The function sequentially check the provide the condition in the when clause, return the value from the corresponding then clause when first condition. If you see first condition is satisfied, if none of conditions is satisfied, then function return the value from the else clause. In the case is provide, otherwise return null in syntax. When case means when condition then value, when condition 2 then value 2, sorry, when condition 3 then return value 3, else value some. So this kind of case we can utilize in the if else conditions. How do you how to add the column in table? Here can be used the alter command, table name, add the column name and type. How to rename the column of tables? Using the alter table name, rename the column, old column name to new column name. How do you delete column from the table? Alter table name, drop column name. So this is the command name. How to select all even or all out record in table by checking reminder by division of by 2 in some SQL version, Postgres, MySQL, mod function, other thing. So here select from table name where mod column id column 2 is equal to 0. So even select the all record using percentage. Select because of this is the command from the different kind of database. So just I taken for the your reference. So here I am using mod. For A1 record, select from table where id column divided by 2 is equal to 0. So here through this we can get the record odd and even. How to find the nth highest value in the column of table? So by using offset clause, for example, offset basically it will indexing to the column. So if you give the index 6, so example find the sixth highest value from a column. So your index would be 5, so that should be as a offset. So here select from table order by column name descending. Limit 1 means here we want to one record, so that is put at the one limit. Offset 5 means the index of 6 means 6 highest column value we want to get. So this way we can find out how to find out value in text column of the table. Start with the certain letter. So using the like operator in combination with the percentile and underscore wildcard. For example, we can need to find all surnames in table that start with A. So query select from table name where surname like A. How to find the last ID in table? So here can using the max function. Otherwise in MySQL version we can use following syntax: select ID from table, order by ID, descending, limit 1. So many way, just we have given the one scenario, so you can use this. Select the random row from the tables by using RND function in combination with the order by and limit. In the some SQL flavor such as a Postgres is called the random function. For example, following code will be written the five random row from the table in MySQL. So I'm just writing of the MySQL command: select from table name order by rand limit 5. What are the union minus intersect? Union minus intersect. So this is operator set operators. So what is use of union operator combine and return the result set retrieved by two or more select statement. Minus operator equal it is used to remove the duplicate from result set obtained by second select query. Result set obtained by the first select query means the what will do the minus if suppose table A table B A minus B, so when that record need to be get from through the command which is not belong to B tables, so that is the use of minus. Intersect clause is a SQL combination result fetched by the select statement where record from one match the other and then return the intersection of the result. Intersections means if you have two tables, table A, table B, just I am giving the example. So here need to be get the common record of both tables. So here can then can use the intersect. Here just we have written one query, select from student union. So here use the union query, select from contact. Okay, name. Another fetch for union all, select the name from student. Union all means here can we get the all record from both tables. So here use the union all, select from name from the student minus, here fetch the record student, select name from the contact means which name will get which is not belong to contact table. So minus objective of this minus. Minus means we can say the intersect. No, no. Minus just as a, you know, okay. This is the part of set. And another call is select name from student, intersect name from the contact. So here present the contact detail which is belong to both tables. Okay. So this is the objective of union, union all, intersect minus. What is the difference between call is cap and is null? Call is coalesces function. What is difference between coalesces and is null? Coalesces function is equal return the first non-null expression among its argument. If the all expression evaluate to null, then call space function will return null. Syntax here if you select the column as call space expression, here can be write dot dot expression n from the table. Null is null function is different used in SQL Server and MySQL. In SQL Server is null function used to replace the null value. Syntax column is null column name value replace from the table. This is the command. So that's it from my end. What basic kind of question is asked during the interview? Why making this video? If any Java developer, .NET developer, or C++ programming, Python, whatever the developer is doing, so here need to be basic knowledge of these all command and queries. So please like and subscribe to this channel. Whenever upload new video, you will get the notification. So thank you so much. I will bring another video regarding to function and procedures, how it is work, what kind of question is asked during interview. So thank you so much for watching this video.